Guys, what's up? This is Caleb. Or Caleb Run Effect. Today, guys, we are going hunting for some birds. I hear some, but I don't see any. Let's go. Sorry for all that noise, guys. That's my next door neighbors. They're really rambunctious. I mean, I'm a little rambunctious, but I'm better than them at least, because they're really rowdy. There's some birds over there. There's a lot of them over there. There's a lot of birds over there. So let's see if we can maybe hit one. Whoa. There's one. There's another one. There's another one. So let's just walk over here acting like we're not going to do anything. And then we'll have a nice, clean, straight shot at a car. Okay, so that means we're going to have to shoot this other way, because there's a car over there. Because if you miss, there's a pretty good chance of you hitting a car. Oh, there's one, there's one. Okay, guys, I see one. I missed, guys. I got too much in a hurry. Guys, number one rule when you're hunting, don't feel rushed on a shot. Now, if you're in like a tournament and you're gonna kick out and never get to play in a tournament again, if you don't get a deer, okay, maybe try to rush the shot. But try to take your time and get a clean kill. There's no windows over there, but I don't want to take any chances, because there are plenty of birds over there. And there's some blackbirds too. There's some blackbirds, or sparrows, or whatever you want to call them. They're not chickadees, because chickadees are really, really small birds. And that's a really big one. I said that chickadee ate so many biscuits that we gave him. Oh, you can see my shadow. Load that up. Turn over here. There's no cars over there, so it's okay if we shoot that way. Just like shoot kind of diagonal, almost if you like judge your aim and like know how good of a gun you have, and you know it's not gonna hit, or a diagonal, and if it hits somewhere, it's not gonna hit anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get that bird off the way. Oh, there's one. That's a big one. He's got it. Why is he still on the tree? He's still on the tree. Now I gotta poke him off. Is he dead? No, I hit his back. Is he just gonna die up there? What's he doing? I'm gonna get like a random stick and just poke him off. I shot his head. Headshot. Try not to fling it on me. Oh, there he is. It's a headless bird. Guys, this is not a mockingbird, but I don't know what kind of bird that is. I'm not going to mess with it. I know it is shooting pretty good. I shot him right in the head. The reason why I know it's not a mockingbird is because mockingbirds are a grayish color. It's just right there. Because I was like, wondering, like, where did I hit it? But, alright. Thanks for watching this, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, which you should have, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, guys, if you had a problem with watching me shoot this bird, and I get a dislike, that's your problem for clicking on the video. Because the video is gonna, the title specifically said, don't ever, wait, no, bird hunting. And in the title, it's gonna say, warning graphic in parentheses. That usually means forgetting something. Alright, guys. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Subscribe, comment for more. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And goodbye.